CloudExtend can be used in your inbox and sent items. It is also available when you are composing a new email. This will allow you to save email after adding relevant information as you normally would. After drafting it out, choose where you want the email to be stored, and I will use suggest related records, but you can manually search for a record too. Select the record or records and save email. I will be sending this. If you want to use autopilot or you have an attachment, send the email right away and go to your sent folder. You will have the option to select the file or enable the autopilot after sending out the email. If you've enabled the email address-based autopilot for the recipient's email address, you can simply use the regular send button after composing your email. The system will automatically sync the email to the associated record and also handle any future correspondence without requiring any additional actions from you.